Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Solihull. Been asked to have a look at this Pulsacoil 2000. It's a tank system, only provides hot water, no heating. So we only been asked to diagnose this because it's another engineer's job and he wants me to just diagnose it for him. Hopefully you'll enjoy the video and if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. He hasn't left me in the ditch. No, I'm fine. Thank you for the offer, buddy. Right, okay. Didn't realize there's a stat on here, which is this baby here. Goes inside there, and if you look at it, it's popped. Right. So, let's switch the baby on. So you got there's the power one there. Fault. So you got your fault there. You know what the fault is, yeah? That's popped. So let's reset and let's see what happens. I just hate doing this part, man. I hope it doesn't go boom on me. Right. Let's see what happens now. Right, so they got boost and they got off peak. Let's go for boost first. Switch. Right. Let's see if the boost is this one. I'm gonna get my multimeter out and we're gonna do some multi-test. I'm gonna do some tests on it. If the power's going in or not. Actually, let's get my contactless first. Let's get the contactless. Right, we're gonna put this on. You fancy shit in it. I'm telling you, it's annoying. So we got power going there, yeah. I wonder if that's it. That's what it is out. Okay. Film again. To film that's it no?
No, मैं फिल्म मच ना.
What's it?
No, you're not to me famous ना garage है.
Okay. There's no power coming to this one, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, did you switch it on, yeah?
It's on from there, innit?
So, you follow this wire back?
Yeah.
Right, which is this one here. Okay, it says here anyway, off peak and peak.
Yeah.
We'll just...
It's power, yeah?
Yeah, there's power on that one. There's power there, so how come there's no power here?
But doesn't that come off only on off-peak time?
Yeah, but it still should come on now though. Okay, what about the pump?
Pump's alright.
Yeah.
Huh?
Can't tell. Yet. Okay, we'll have to check that out. Right, let me just check why isn't the voltage coming to that machinator first. And there's power there. Okay, this is handy, right? There's no point checking the power there. So there's power going to the machine, but there's no power there. The reason being is because if you follow the wires up, can you see that? There.
And relay.
So that's blown, yeah?
Yeah.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
So that's dangerous, man. Look at that. Okay. I'm going to disconnect that from here. From here. This wire here. I'm going to disconnect that. Make sure it's safe, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. So there. And that's it. Once that's safe, then this wire is coming from the spare switch there.
Yeah.
So I'm going to disconnect from there. So which one is it? This one here? We're going to disconnect that. The power's off, guys. Actually, yeah, all of them are off. So there's no lights flashing, the power is off. So Excuse me. Right. So I've disconnected that. That baby has to be changed. This baby here. We don't know if the machine heater is working. Now we're going to check the pump out in a bit. We have to get the pump is very weak as well. So that's going to go. So the pump needs changing as well. Try that in me. No, Mohsin. Try that. Oh. Yeah, feel the vibration on it now. So release the pump. So the pump's gonna have to need changing anyway.
It comes warm.
It's warming up, bro. It won't get hot that quickly. So basically on this one, right? We'll come back. We're gonna change the relay. And the pump is weak.
Yeah.
So we're going to change the pump and the relay. Yeah. And this was tripped. The reason that was tripped because the pump was seized.
Okay.
So we're going to change that. But that's what the customers should do if they want to do that. Guys, I've just done the diagnosis on this. The pump is gone and the relay is gone. Got them some off-peak water at least because the overheat stat was tripped out. So they've got that. And it's all working on the off-peak. The pump's a bit weak. They're going to change that in the next couple of days. So they just wanted me to do diagnosis on it for now. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix. I'm Mohsin. So the video review there now. Video review there.
50 day.
Oh no. Video review there.
Huh?
Aliana, Jan come
No,
down.
you don't even know pictures, man.
No, watch. I'll show you what to do. I'll delete afterwards. Alright, I'll delete afterwards.